Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am gonna show you how to create a virtual host in a Zamba with a custom address and to create a new virtual host. Create new folder in your computer anywhere. Now we are creating a new folder in a desktop. My website and create new default index inside and my website folder, and changing language PHP echo something hello world. Save this file in my website directory, index.php file. Close. Go to the installation directory of your Samba, then open Apache folder, then app config, then extra, then edit this file to create a new virtual host. And to create new virtual hosting, follow this code, and then address 127.0.0.2. the default port is 80 in Zamba. Default port is 80, then port 80. Close this tag. Inside virtual hosting tag, and create server name and server admin and document root. Server name myweb.com, and then create server and admin. Server admin at myweb.com, and then create a document root. Go to the directory of your website, copy document address, quotation, open quotation and close quotation, and changing backslash to forward slash. And then open directory tab, copy directory of your website, close directory. Inside directory tag, write this code: allow override all. Then an order deny and allow. Then an allow from all. Then require all granted, click. Now we are creating a new virtual hosting. Save this file, new virtual hosting, save. Go to this address in your browser, paste it, and run your application, Samba application. Then refresh this file. hello world successfully from this directory. This is a hello world. Printing server information. Print r server information. Save this file, then refresh this. Server information, server name 127.0.0.0.2, server party, server admin, admin my web, and this is this read from the server admin myweb.com. And to change this file and close your Zamba, then rerun to work. Refresh, start it, then refresh. Server admin, user, myweb.com, changing the address to the myweb.com. To change this, go to the system.32 and then drivers, then etc, edit hosts file, close. Go to the system.32, system.32, etc, drivers, then etc. To edit this file, you need administrating mode. Edit 127. You need administration mode to edit this file. 127.0.0.2 myweb.com. Save this file, automatically save. myweb.com. Go to the myweb.com. Stop, then start it. 127 walk it, then my web, same, there is a same, this is IP address, and then server and address, they are same.